Today I'm going to talk about home equity and the tremendous amount of wealth creation that all you homeowners have seen over the last 3, 4, 5 years, particularly in the last couple years. There's been so much home equity created. I'm getting a lot of incoming calls with, how do I access that? What's the best way? I've got an incredible mortgage at 2.8% or 3.5% and I don't want to touch that. Is there any way to get at my home equity? Well, the answer is yes, there is. We have home equity lines of credit, and they come in a variable rate, an ARM, an adjustable rate mortgage, or they also come fixed with a fixed term and a fixed amount of payment. And if you have good credit and the ability to repay the payments, you can access a pretty big chunk of your home equity. Traditionally, we're seeing home equity credit lines at $100,000, $250,000, all the way up to $500,000. And you only pay interest on what you borrow. If you'd like more information to see if this might be a tool that might be helpful for you to pay for some renovations that you want to do, maybe pay off some college debt, or maybe just have a little cushion for just in case, I'd love to set up a meeting with you and talk about what your needs are and help guide you as to what the best possible way might be. Thank you so much.